basically this 2 days course, right, it actually motivated me a lot because I never realized my, how should I say, my weak points, that I have problems with body language and the tonality that I have portrayed given to my colleagues. And this is something I can bring back and take note of how I communicate with people, not just colleagues, but it's also my family members, which I haven't been using the right tone to talk to them. Yeah. Okay, I would highly recommend companies to actually send staff to attend all this, because I believe that everybody, if they have this kind of mentality, right, treating people with the same status, right, I think it will be a perfect environment.
After these 2 days, I learned that body language is very important. So it really means that how you portray. So that thing which I don't know before I come to this course. So I find that it's very useful, so that I can know that next time I must portray properly, so that the other party don't get the wrong info, and so that make our working life better.
Hi guys, my personal experience for this building interpersonal relation skills is very useful. From the first day I attended, I have learned immense knowledge about how to apply relationship skills to others, including myself, my families, and my colleagues, or even with future friends. Okay. And I really discovered the inner self of me through the course, this 2 days duration, and I definitely can apply in my work and through my spouse and my family's contact and conversation. Okay, I think that's all.
Okay, from the first day I come into this course, I don't really understand what is this course all about. But after this course, I discovered a lot more about myself and how to being discovering, talking with colleagues, methods applied. And during this course, it was reinforced with those workshops, mingling with my fellows ST Marine staff. Okay. Okay, I learned in this course the openness, trust, dialogue, and value. These 4 principles I can greatly use in my course of work. And regarding the trainer, this trainer has way vast experience. He can link with all these 4 principles and give you a very clear view how to applicable in your daily works. That's all.